Hi, Captain FICO here, and I just want to say congratulations. A secured loan to build credit, you're really using your noggin here. This is a very, very smart thing to do, okay? Why? Well, it's going to show up as a bank loan, okay? It's a secured loan. FICO, first off, let me tell you, FICO does not care if it's secured or unsecured. It doesn't matter to FICO at all. Now, before we begin, and I'm going to give you the loan that you want to use, okay? In just a second. First off, I just want to say, if you want credit repair tips, go to my site. You can get a free copy of my Captain FICO's credit repair secrets. It's captainfico.com. I'm going to have a link down here for you. And now let's go on to this secured loan. Oh, you're really thinking here, kid. A secured loan is one of the best ways to dramatically increase your FICO. You can add secured cards and all that stuff, which is great. But a secured loan is the pinnacle, because FICO looks at it like a bank loaned you money. Now, which one should you use? Most of them, you have to provide the amount of the loan. So if you wanted a $1,000 secured loan, you'd have to provide $1,000, make payments on it, and after a year, you get your money back. And the whole time it's reporting to the bureaus. But that was the old days. That's how things used to work. Now, here's how it works. I have a link below. This company is called Self. Use the link below. This way you won't have to pay the $10 setup fee. You get to choose the loan amount. It can be $25 a month, $48 a month, or like $100 a month. And you get to choose the timeline. The 2 years, the 1 year. If I were you, I would choose a small amount, like the $25 a month, the lowest amount, and the shortest amount of time. Okay? And why you do that is because regardless of the loan amount or the length of the loan, you want the shortest amount, because as it pays off, your FICO increases as the loan is paid off. So the shorter time, the better. You don't want to stretch it out over 2 years. And secondly, once you do the first loan for a year, you show that it's completely paid off and you get another one. Okay, and you keep doing this all the time. You always have one of these loans going at Self. Always. Now, after 3 months with this loan, oh, and by the way, you can cancel the loan anytime you want and get all your money and be gone with it. Right? But you're not going to do that. Okay, you pick the low amount, $25, but if you did run into some financial situation where you needed a couple $100, you could just close it out, get your money, and move on. But here's the beauty of it. You pay your $25 a month, and after 3 months, you can get a secured card from them. And that $75 that's went into your savings, you can have it as your card limit. So now, not only do you have a secured loan from a bank, you've got a credit card from a bank, which, by the way, FICO sees as a regular credit card. It doesn't matter if it's secured. Okay, so you have a card as well. Now, here's the kicker. What you do, you got your secured loan, you're paying $25 a month. That alone is going to jump your FICO like crazy. You'll see. You got your credit card, your secured credit card, but to FICO it doesn't matter, so it's seeing it as a credit card. Now, after the 4th month, you're making your payment again, $25. You can actually raise your limit of your card every month with your $25 onto your card. So you raise your limit. So now FICO is seeing the credit card, the secured loan, and it's seeing that the person that provided you with the credit card has raised your limit, which will jump your FICO. And it'll jump it every month because it's going to see, oh, hey, the limit got raised, and it gets calculated into the score. Okay? So that is the best Self loan to get. You don't have to come up with any money up front like most of them. You don't have to get approved. You're going to get approved automatically. There's no credit check. And you're ready to go. All of a sudden you have a bank loan and you have a secured card, which is just the same as a regular card, and you can increase your credit limit anytime, every month, which is what I suggest you do. Well, that's Captain FICO for you, and go to CaptainFICO.com and see where you can get a free copy of my best-selling publication, Credit Publication, or Captain FICO's Credit Repair Secrets at CaptainFICO.com. And that's it, folks.